Are you suffering from debilitating back, neck, or knee pain that just won't seem to go away? You're not alone. These types of pain can significantly impact your daily life, making it difficult to perform simple tasks or even find relief when trying to rest. Back pain can be felt in the lower, mid, or upper back and can range from a dull ache to sharp, shooting pain. It can be caused by poor posture, injury, or underlying medical conditions. Neck pain, on the other hand, can be a result of muscle strain, nerve compression, or poor sleeping positions. The constant ache or stiffness in your neck can make it challenging to turn your head or look up or down. Knee pain is another common complaint that can make it hard to walk, bend, or even climb stairs. Whether it's due to arthritis, injury, or overuse, knee pain can severely limit your mobility and quality of life. If you're tired of living with persistent back, neck, or knee pain, it's time to take action. Seeking help from a medical professional can provide you with the relief you need to get back to enjoying the activities you love. Physical therapy, chiropractic care, and medications can all be effective treatments for managing and alleviating your pain. Don't let back, neck, or knee pain control your life any longer. Take the first step towards a pain-free future by reaching out to a healthcare provider today. You deserve to live your life to the fullest without constant discomfort holding you back. Get the help you need and say goodbye to pain for good.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.